Well, we're gonna try to attempt to build a small table today. Helen is sitting all day long working at the computer, and there's not enough space for her to have the keyboard and the mouse, so she needs to sit a little bit further from the screen. So I'm gonna make a small table for her. So let's take a look at what I bought. So I bought this plywood. I think this is like 20 millimeter or something. Let's check it. Yeah, it's 20 millimeter plywood. Good. I also bought some angles to keep it together. That's one sort, and then I have a smaller one and a slightly larger one, and then some screws for that. And then I bought two pieces here that I'm gonna use as the sides on the table, and this is gonna be the top, and I'm also gonna cut a small piece from here. It's gonna be part of the back side of it, so it will give it some stability.
Oh my goodness! Alltså vilket skrivbord! Oh wow!
Angle for you. Or is it a bit high maybe? Super.
So the third recipe I'm gonna do is a lemon curd, which I haven't actually made before. I'm allergic to dairy, but my mother loves lemon curd, so I wanted to make some for her. And we have a big party for our youngest children later this spring because they graduate from school. So I was thinking about making a cake with some lemon curd in it. I'm gonna make some lemon juice now out of the lemons that I've taken off the peel for the limoncello. So I'm gonna make about a cup and a half of lemon juice. Curd recipe calls for some lemon zest as well, so I'm going to zest 2 tablespoons for that. And this microplane is the sharpest one I've ever owned, and I've injured myself already twice. So I have a deep respect for this tool already. So time to assemble this beautiful lemon curd. I'm a little bit humble at this task. I haven't done it before, but the most important thing is when you add all the eggs, obviously not to get scrambled eggs. So it needs to be whisked all the time and doing it over a low heat. So all the ingredients that are listed for the recipes gets kind of dumped into a pot. And under slow heat for about 5-6 minutes, you whisk until you get a silky, thick consistency. And there's your lemon curd. Finally happening. I'm absolutely chuffed. I managed to do it without making a lemony egg scrambled. And a lemony scrambled egg, which I was a little bit nervous about. But now I'm going to pour this into some little glass jars. And my little ugly homemade funnel.
This is the mimosa that we planted a couple of months ago. I don't actually recall exactly when it was. I think it was last summer. But we've decided to move this to our new plot. So we're going to dig that up and move it there. So we have a number of fig trees on this plot. They are different varieties, and we have one that we really like, but the tree is in a bad state, and we can't keep it.
Yeah, we've thought about how to use it, and we're gonna take some cuttings today and stick it into some soil in a place where we can propagate and hopefully get some roots. We don't have massive hopes, but it's kind of a free attempt, and it's a beautiful day to do it, so we thought we'd give it a shot, and yeah, let's see how we do later in the summer with that. But it's a nice cheap way to give it a try to the best figs that we've tried. So I'm gonna think out loud a little bit here. Let's try and put a few of these here in the open landscape. Now, surprisingly, there's not much rain forecasted in the next week or 2 weeks. So I think we're gonna take a bunch of them also to the little house. So we're not pros at this, but YouTube is a great resource for a lot of things. So I'm gonna shorten them a little bit and cut them above a node like this.